Hey, so this one was one of those just mind-blowing moments that I wanted to share. So in this case, I have a PDF that was given to me by one of the people that I'm working with in public health. And what we wanted to do was transition this PDF to a Google form. Now that Gemini actually has the ability to uh, use documents and information to be able to set up a Google form, I went ahead and tried it, and the results were pretty amazing. So, if you're not familiar with it, first I'll show you what I'm talking about. So, here, if I go to forms.google.com, and I start with a blank form, you'll see that there's a new Gemini page that pops up that basically asks you to describe the form or include content from your files. So in this case, um, can you create a draft form using at Eagle County HCP information and referral request. So that's a PDF. Let me show you what the PDF looks like. So this is the PDF, and you can tell it's a very large. It's a very it's a three-page document with a lot of option sets that would be drop down that you would normally have to type out and be able to make as multiple select and that kind of thing. So here we've got a lot of the drop downs and information, but you can tell it's basically just your regular PDF. We've tagged it and we click on create, and it's essentially going to create the entire form. So there we are. So who's requesting the information? There is your drop down. That is all of the information from all of those checkboxes. To include this, actually, I thought this was pretty cool because I'll go to the one that I actually created. So here, this is who is requesting the information. And then it's, are you already working with a care coordinator? So what's interesting about that is that in the form that was highlighted. So it's describe who is requesting the information. And it says modify to who is requesting the information. Ask if they're already working with a care coordinator. So that actually gleaned that from the context of the question and included that as a separate question. So thought it was very cool. Obviously, in this case, you can come in and this is already done as checkboxes. You could modify it though, but yeah, pretty remarkable at actually creating the initial draft. All right, later.